Hello, this is Ed Doherty, the CNC Dude, and I'm Autodesk Fusion instructor in the CAM section, or manufacturer section. I'm actually trying to work on something, but I'm really annoyed by the Autodesk update, the intent to design path. So, like in this here, now have home view and a data panel. I got data panel on. I'm working on some projects. And if I shut off this project, it really goes back to the home view. I do not like that at all. I want to stay in the other one. I have to go click on new design. I have to, if I hit cancel, it doesn't do anything. New design, create new, which brings me back to one title, which was the original page you had when you were trying to do anything. I really just want to stay in this area and work on more stuff. And I can leave that open. I guess you got to leave one open. I guess if I open up this file that I was working on, and if I close that file, nope, it did it again. All right. Data panel is not active up here. You got to go. You have to like pick one of these things on the display. I don't like. This is like just the projects, but I really like the data panel one personally. I don't have a choice of that. I really want it to be projects, my fusion, samples, recent projects. I like to have the data panel view to be active all the time. But if I go to home view, then I can choose to do this if I'm hunting. So I got to go hit new design again, hit create new. So I know we have that all intent to design to be part assembly or whatever the 3 is, but I think it matches SolidWorks path, but I really don't like this. I want to be able to switch this on and off. If I go to my preferences tab up here, I have customized my design. So I want to start design. I just leave that in design. Part, default design type, part design. It doesn't give me any other choices, so leave that on. Oh, I want to change this to ZF. Apply. I want to Tinkercad mouse. I want SolidWorks mouse. Apply. Other than that, that's all I don't want anything else on that. It used to have one home view. That's gone. They've made some wholesale changes lately. So that's my opinion. I just do not like this. If I bail out of something, like close this, and I'm back to this view again. I want to stay in that data panel view. How can I do that? That's all I got to say. CNC Dude signing off.